Hi, this is the Roaring Twenties Great Gatsby Webquest. So we'll start on the welcome page. This Webquest is meant to prepare 11th grade students to read The Great Gatsby. It provides background information on the Roaring Twenties. So they will complete this before they read the novel. So first we have the introduction page. This is basically where students will form their groups of 3 to 5. And they'll choose their role, so they can either be a flapper, someone who works with stocks and bonds on Wall Street, Langston Hughes, Babe Ruth, or a factory worker. And they're basically supposed to use these links under the description and discover what the Roaring Twenties were like for their specific role. This will prepare them for the assignment. So next we have our task. This is just a brief overview of what they're going to be doing. So basically they're going to be creating a journal on their own, and then they'll combine all of those entries together and they'll make one big journal. And these entries will be written as if they are in the 1920s in a day in the life of whatever role they chose. So next we have the process. This is basically a step-by-step page of how to complete the individual and group portions of the journal. So they'll just go step by step until they're ready to construct their journal. Next we have resources. So these are just additional resources that will help them research. There are a couple for each role. Next, we have the evaluation. So students will be able to score themselves basically and make sure they have everything they need to get the most points possible. So we have the individual pre-writing, we have the rough draft, the peer editing, the final draft, and the construction of the actual journal. Next, we have the conclusion. So basically, this is once they finished. This is what they should know by the end. They should have extensive background knowledge on the Roaring Twenties, and then it would be time to read the novel. Here are the credits. So basically I listed the links of where I retrieved images under each image. This is for grade 11, American Literature, and these are the standards that this assignment would cover. And this is the sitemap. Thank you so much for watching.